Hi, on this video I will show you how to turn an image to a transparent image. That means we will remove everything around an image and make it clear to use it on another image or on video. For this video I will use the online software on the program called Pixlr. This is a program, this is a software, it's online, it's free to use. You don't need to download anything. You just go online to pixlr.com and you will get this website. So first we will bring the picture we need to work on it. So let me choose a file first. This one here. As you can see, there is a surrounding gray area with a text. So we need to remove everything around the image. We will keep only the image itself. The first thing we will do, we will unlock this. Double click here, as you can see, double click. And I will make it a little bit larger like that, so I can see everything clear. Okay, let me bring it here like this. Okay. Now I will bring the magic tool here. On the left side here, we will click on this one and we will go in each area like this, and we click delete like this and delete here and delete. Smaller like this a little bit so we can see everything. Okay, in this area and delete. Okay, now we have deleted almost let me say 95% of everything around, but we still have this shadows, we still have the text around here. We need to remove everything. Okay, so still area here, let's delete this one and delete this one as much as we could here. Okay, now let me click here first, so, and on the image. Now the image is ready to remove the rest. I will use the erase tool here, click on this one and choose your brush size. Let me say first 15. No, let make it 25. Okay, 25, and I will start to erase everything around, as you can see. Be careful, do not touch the image. You touch only, you remove only the round area with the text, with everything. We remove everything. Of course, now we cannot see if it's perfect or not, but when we will use the image on another background, it will become clear if it's good or we need to remove a little bit more. Okay, here around as well, all this dark area here and little bit here like this, and the top here there is still some few things here. Here too we remove this like this and like this. We still have some shadows here. Let me make it a little bit larger, the image. Oh, look, when I make it large, I found few things here still there. Anyway, we will remove everything later. You will see how we will do this. Now I will change the brush. I will make it 5 and very small, so because I'm gonna work in a very tiny small area to remove all the shadows around the body, as you can see. It takes just a few minutes to do this. It's not hard work, it's easy. And we continue with the image around. like this. Let me take the dark area here like this as well, and this one. Do we have any other small areas? Yes, like this here. We need to remove this a little bit more closer here. And around the arm a little bit here. So small tiny here, small. Okay, let me bring it. So it's almost, as you can see, it's, we will see. Now we will use this image and we will put it on top of another image. So let's bring the other image first. Let me click here, open image, and I go to this image. Okay, double click here and take this one, put it here. Now I don't need the one in the back, I delete it. Okay, now let me resize this. So I will make it a little bit larger like that to cover everything. Here we are. Okay, just click anywhere out there and click yes. Now we have the girl, it's under this. To bring it up, just double click here and put it up. It's very simple. Now we can see the girl. Let me click on this tool here to remove this image. You see, we still have many things around need to be deleted. So I'll go back to the erase tool. I will make it a little bit large, like 15, and I come here, I delete this one, and I will delete this. And I will remove this as well, all around here. Here there is a little bit small. Yes. Here's two. Do you think it's okay now? I think it's okay. Looks fine. Let me make it a little bit smaller to fit the other image, like this. Bring it here, like this. Click anywhere outside and yes. Now this is our image. First we make a transparent for the girl, then we have used the same image on another image. We put two images on top of each other, as you can see. If you have any question, just ask and I will make another video for whatever request you want. Okay, thank you for watching, and please before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.